Creating a freebie that leads to sales. A freebie isn't just something random, it needs to connect directly to your product. A freebie should help people in a massive way because they will come back for more once they know that they can trust you. Choose a slice of your product. If your product is 5 meal plans where you cook once on Saturday and you eat healthy all week, your freebie could be a 1-week quick start menu. Step 2, make it instantly usable. Create a printable shopping list and a 90-minute prep checklist. People should be able to act on it the same day. You can do this by going to chatgpt.com. You can prompt it to find you a menu, like you want to cook Frito chili. Ask it to find you a really great recipe that has great reviews. Put it in a Word doc and make it your own. Add your own flavorings, add your own seasonings, then save it as a 2 to 3 page PDF. If you want to add more flair, just copy what GPT gave you. Go to Canva, as in step 3, go to Canva, design a 2 to 3 page PDF, but keep it clean with bold headlines, check boxes, and 1 action per page. You want to make it super simple for people? You can add a subtle pivot like want more weeks, want more menus, want a gluten-free menu guide. And the full guide includes gluten-free once they get a flavor for everything that they get. Step 5, connect the freebie to your funnel. On system.io, build a landing page with a headline like free 1 week, cook once, eat healthy all week, meal plan. Also a subheading, save 7 hours this week. Add an email opt-in. You want people to put in their email to get your freebie. So yes, you absolutely can do this yourself. You can do it today, but most beginners get lost in the weeds. I'm so grateful for the class I joined because it gave me a pre-built freebie, funnels, and even 4 proven to be in-demand digital products. You can watch my free class webinar. Just go to freedomdailypaybusiness.com, put in your email. You will also get the Freedom Formula Blueprint, which shows you everything you need to make 6 figures in 6 months with your own online business that's pre-built for you. Go to freedomdailypaybusiness.com. I'll put the link in the description as well. Check your spam and junk folders though, so that you're sure to get the blueprint.